Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share how to make a ruffle collar. For that, here I have front and back of the dress. At the front panel I cut in the middle and do a middle seam, leaving 4 to 5 inch of fabric to make a opening for the ruffle collar. Fold both back and front panel into 2 layers. Mark at 2.5 inch at the shoulder line for the front neck hole. On the other side, mark at 3 inches. Join these marks, making a semicircle, and cut along. The width of the back of the dress neck hole is the same, but the depth is 1 inch less than the front. Now for the ruffle collar, here I take a piece of fabric which is about 3.5 inch in width and 40 inch in length. Fold the fabric strip into 2 layers and going to do the ruffle for the ruffle collar. Attach front and back of the dress from the shoulder line. Hope you like my video. Let me know in the comment below and subscribe to my channel. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.